Hello friends, I will show you how to install WordPress on our local system for the testing purpose or development purpose. So first of all, what is WordPress? WordPress is a web content management system. You can create your website, one website for the e-commerce purpose, for a portfolio, and many of the things you can do with the customization to the WordPress. So first of all, for the need to WordPress installation, first off download the gem server or wamp server, whatever you like, for the core PHP run, like for the database purpose. So you can download the gem server from over here, gem for the Mac or Windows, whatever in your system. So once the gem is download, then install it and run like this appear on the control panel for the gem, and Apache and MySQL started from now, and database showing like this. When you install, you click right localhost, and this prompt is appear, and just click on phpMyAdmin, and database is showing like this. And before, we need to download WordPress from Google. So here going on download wordpress.org website and click on the latest version, whatever. So I have downloaded on my local system. So before we start, first we create the database for run the WordPress program and install all the core files or core tables for the WordPress. So first of all, create a new and click on here database name, and I'll just create a sample database and just click on the create, and the sample database is created. Now we have going to the htdocs. So whenever you gem install, going to the your system C drive, gem folder, and htdocs directory. Here we create one directory, name is sample, and our code WordPress file move over here and extract it on the sample directory. And all the sample directory here, all the things will paste on the root directory. We consider the sample as a root directory, so all the root files of the WordPress are on this folder directly. So our file is extract, and now all the data is cut over here and move to the root directory. So then I delete this chip and delete this folder, and now we have, whenever we hit this URL localhost and write sample, this WordPress code is run and directly hit the wp config.php. After running the index.php file is redirect over here wp-config sample.php. so that's true. So now we directly run our website localhost, and here we have create the directory name sample. So whenever we write this URL, so the new installation is coming. This is the first time installation, so I need show you how to here change the database. Here database is empty for now, so now I set up the installation for WordPress and select first the language, and then here you enter the database name, username, password, and many more things. But currently I am going to the let's go button, and here database name we have created sample database, and for the database username make empty and password make empty, just like for the staging purpose on the gem server is the database username root or password is empty, but you can also place blank over here. And don't change over here database host and table prefix. We for now just stay with this table prefix and just click on the submit button, and error established here showing because the user code not found. So I will just here pass the root and still password is blank. Just click on submit and the installation is run. Then click on the run the installation and going to the database and click on the sample. So for now the database is not created, and now the last step I will do here the site name. This is username. Whenever we come to manage the WordPress admin area, we must use the password. So I will just sample password just create, and password is admin sample at 123 or whatever. Just copy and save this username and password for future use, and confirm use the weak password and enter your email sample@gmail.com. I'll just place sample email and Discord. This is a main option for the search engine optimization defect. Whenever you click on this checkbox, Google cannot crawl the website. So whenever our website on the development side, so we uncheck this and we cannot crawl the site because we are under development, and click on the install WordPress. Now the WordPress installation is started to installing all the required tables and required directories. Like I click on the sample, now 12 tables is installing. So this is the table scenario of the WordPress. So main table is option table. On the option table the site URL and the home URL is appear over here. Look at that, and just click on the login, and we have created the admin and password is sample at 123, and remember and click on login. The site just access on your local system because we have created on the local environment. So just plus permalink and view site. So site have 2023 latest theme on available. Here the themes, we have 3 themes available for 23, 21 and 22, and 2 default plugins are the Hello Tolly and Estimate and Spam are the default plugin, and 1 post, 1 comments are there just for testing. So this is a simple video for how to install a WordPress and how to impact on the database site table is created. For the next videos we cover all the other things on the WordPress dashboard, like how to manage posts, how to manage pages, and how to add plugins, add themes, and many more things we cover. And also for the after future we'll going to the database and how we manually change the database for the admin username, password change, and many more things to with the database. So if you have any query, please comment below the comment section, and if you have any suggestion, please also comment on the below section. For sure I am very happy to create this video for installing the WordPress, and we will do the more videos for on the WordPress installation and the other aspects. And if you are new in my channel, please like this video, comment on video, and subscribe my channel for more videos on the tech related like WordPress and many more technology